Hi, what I have here? I have a handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a lithium technology edition Eco. Okay, it's a Silvercrest brand, a brand that you can find in Lidl stores, and it's a vacuum cleaner for wet and dry substances. Okay, it's good to have at home. Okay, you can clean your car at home. It's a very handy and useful tool. So here I have a regular and normal house cleaner, a vacuum cleaner. It's for house, not a big capacity, medium capacity. Okay, it has a container for the dust. Yeah, it's not a big container, but it's enough for a small apartment. It's enough for a small area. It's enough. What I want to show you is something like this. It's here depicted on the top, on the top of the dust container. How to clean your vacuum cleaner. So you open the dust container, and you have a filter. This is washable with water, and you still have here this piece. It's a nice piece here that minimizes the particles of the dust. So it's you'll get a very refined dust particles. Okay, has kind of advanced cyclonic system. So the air sucked in, it's hitting this filter, let's call it filter, and this piece here, and it's gonna smash the particles until you'll see the very refined, very thin powder. Yeah, you'll get a lot of powder dust. But the problem is, like, here you have here another channel, like air channel, and you have to clean it. For this I'm using this and a towel. Okay, I'm using a cloth or a towel and this handheld vacuum cleaner. You still have to clean inside this area here, also with a cloth towel or a cloth material. And this is the most interesting part. You have here a filter that's like this. Let me show you. You have a filter here like this. It stays here. Yeah, in this area. So you have to clean this cartridge filter. So this is a cartridge filter. It's very hard to find and to replace it, but this filter, with the time, it gets dust, so you have to clean it. Yeah, for this I'm using the handheld vacuum cleaner. So now that we had that we have cleaned somehow, we managed to clean it, we can fix it back in that area. But before to fix it back to its location, this is a front panel, and in behind it's the motor area, the engine area of the vacuum cleaner. So you see here there's another filter. It's from a material like a sponge, something like this. Yeah, it's a polyurethanic sponge, something like this. So this has to be cleaned also very nice, and I'm still using my handheld vacuum cleaner. So this is the idea that I want to show you and hint and to advise. Always after a period like 1 month or 2 months, keep in mind and don't forget to clean your vacuum cleaner inside. I mean these parts here, and this way you will maintain longevity of your vacuum cleaner. Because with the time it will get dust particles, and if you are not cleaning them, you may encounter problems like even the motor inside can be stuck and can be damaged. This is all. Thank you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.